Hey guys, here's my process video for this mini album that I made for CRAFTELIER, and I just wanted to quickly introduce the whole thing. I received some cute, very cute things from CRAFTELIER, and it's a scrapbooking shop here in Europe. So if you live here in Europe, you should definitely check it out because they have amazing stuff and they have a lot of stuff. So they also have their own brand where they create their own crafty things, so that's very cool. I will leave the link down below, and definitely check the whole thing out. So what I created is a mini album, a summer mini album, and it's a summer daily. I decided to call it summer daily because of like December daily and stuff. So I wanted to create this cool album to document my summer days. What I use from CRAFTELIER is this ring binder thing that you just saw now, and it's from their own brand. And then what they wanted me to try out is the new Crocodile in pink and rose gold from Memory Keepers, which is awesome. So I tried that out, I love it. And then they sent me a whole bunch of brads and eyelets to go, not brads, the eyelets to go with the oh, I'm so sorry, I'm not concentrated, to go with the crocodile. And they sent me some pink ones and some I think it was mint, and I really love the whole stuff that they sent me. Also, at the end of the video, the way I will not attach the album, but make the album stay closed, I will use a Echo leather ribbon that they sent me, and it's gold. They also sent me some mint and pink, but I will use the gold one. Here is the crocodile, beautiful crocodile from We Are Memory Keepers. So yeah, the leather ribbon, and then I will use some cute little buttons, and that I will attach to this ribbon to to put around the album for it to stay closed. And I really love how that looks. So I will leave the link down below. Definitely check the site out because it's very cool and they have amazing stuff. So yeah, it's called CRAFTELIER, and yeah, for the rest, enjoy the process video. I hope you don't hear the noise behind me. I'm so sorry for that. But it's just a quick intro, and yeah, enjoy the video. I hope you learned some techniques. If you have any questions, of course, don't hesitate to let me know, to ask me. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.